Whether you need to know how to pack a guitar to send to your grandson or ship a bass for a cross-country tour, we can help. If you're comfortable packing your own guitar, you'll need a guitar case, a box large enough to fit the case, packing material like air cellular cushions, and pressure-sensitive adhesive tape. Start by loosening, but not removing, the strings on your guitar. This helps remove the stress on the neck of the instrument, which will reduce the risk of your guitar being damaged in transit. Next, you should secure your guitar in the hard or soft case and prepare your box. If room allows, the neck and headstock of the guitar should be wrapped in bubble wrap or other cushioning materials before placing it in the case to prevent damage. Use the H-taping method to seal the bottom of the box, applying pressure-sensitive adhesive plastic tape equally across all the seams and flaps. Fill the bottom of the box with packing material and center your case inside the box. Then, fill any empty space with more packing material. Place a copy of your shipping label inside and seal the top of the box. Place a label on the top of the box. Now, you're ready to ship. If you need help packaging your guitar, our team at FedEx Office can help for a fee. Once you've loosened your guitar strings and placed it in the case, you can bring your instrument to one of our convenient FedEx Office locations. When you create a shipment, our pricing includes the right FedEx box solution, cushioning materials, and expert packing service. Just leave the packing to us. With FedEx, you can be confident your guitar is in good hands, whether you pack it yourself or let our experts do the job. For more information on how to ship guitars and detailed how-to guides, visit fedex.com/guitar.